Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. Question number 1. What is the largest organ in the human body? Liver, heart, skin, lungs. Answer C. Skin. Question number 2. How many bones are there in the adult human body? 200, 206, 208, 210. Answer B. 206. Question number 3. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Bone, teeth enamel, cartilage, skull. Answer B. Teeth enamel. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A, B, AB, O. Answer D. O. Question number 5. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, thigh bone, tibia, shin bone, humerus, fibula. Answer A. Femur, thigh bone. Question number 6. How many chambers are there in the human heart? 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. 4. Question number 7. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, hypothalamus. Answer B. Cerebellum. Question number 8. What is the normal body temperature of a human in Celsius? 36 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Celsius. Answer B. 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fighting infection, transporting oxygen, clotting blood, providing antibodies. Answer B. Transporting oxygen. Question number 10. Which is the largest artery in the human body? Aorta, pulmonary artery, carotid artery, femoral artery. Answer A. Aorta. Question number 11. Which protein is responsible for the red color of blood? Collagen, hemoglobin, myoglobin, keratin. Answer B. Hemoglobin. Question number 12. What is a basic functional unit of the kidney? Alveoli, neuron, nephron, platelet. Answer C. Nephron. Question number 13. Which part of the eye is responsible for controlling the amount of light that enters it? Retina, pupil, iris, cornea. Answer C. Iris. Question number 14. How many pairs of ribs are there in the human body? 10, 12, 14, 16. Answer B. 12. Question number 15. Which hormone regulates the body sleep-wake cycle? Insulin, melatonin, adrenaline, thyroxine. Answer B. Melatonin. Question number 16. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin its color? Hemoglobin, keratin, melanin, collagen. Answer C. Melanin. Question number 17. Which part of the human body is responsible for providing insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, spleen. Answer B. Pancreas. Question number 18. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, femur, ulna, radius. Answer A. Stapes. Question number 19. Which part of the brain controls inventory actions such as breathing and heartbeat? Cerebrum, medulla oblongata, thalamus, cerebellum. Answer B. Medulla oblongata. Question number 20. What percentage of the human body is water? 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. Answer B. 60%. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel.